Point number one, you want to create a detailed project plan, but as I stated earlier, you want to ensure that if there's change required, you make that particular move and be ready to make that change if required by following the proper change management process. Point number two, develop a project charter. As we know, the project charter really is, I remixed it and said, hey, this is your marketing magnet. What I mean by the marketing magnet, as we know with a magnet, it attracts. So if someone is asking you, what is this project about? Say, here, please refer to the project charter. If somebody asks you, hey, I have some questions about what we're going to be doing or what my role is and this and that, say, hey, right now we have the project charter. I'll set up a 15-minute or 30-minute discussion with you, answer any of your questions, but please review this first. And then when we move into project planning, then we can go into, or I should say planning, then we can go into what your role should be looking like long-term on this particular project. And then my last and final one is your ability to resolve project issues and conflicts, of getting to the root of everything. Because like I stated before, family, if you are unable to get to the root of what is going on, eventually the root is going to, the problem is going to boil or bubble to the top, as they would say. And then at that point, you might as well get ready to start working on your resume or looking for something internal or external, because your project is just going to go up in flames.